Welcome. This is Melinda Barlow, CZT, Certified Zentangle Teacher. And today's lesson, oh, look at this. It's just stunning. It's called Triangle. I love the play on words that a lot of people who post as step outs do. And they really get me going sometimes. But triangle. I'm getting out a white marker because I want to do this on brown. I have a few brown bookmarks and they're really fun to work on, and I thought triangle would be great because it's a linear one. So we're just going to start out, and I'm using the jelly roll that's the fine point, the 05. And I want two lines together. Come in a little bit so you can see. Two lines close together, then a space. And two more lines. And you see sometimes the ink, it leaves a little gob, but I like that. I like the look of it, so I'm okay with that. Remember, the jelly roll takes a little bit longer to dry, so we just talk in between. And now I'm going to put two lines at an angle and two more at this angle, leaving a little tiny space in between. So I'm just going to alternate back and forth. And this, I try to have my lines have about equal space that I had with this line and this line, so that the spacing is about equal. And I just alternate back and forth. All the way down. Now comes the fun part. It's not all that noticeable, but I am going to do a triangle that spirals in. So it just spirals in, starting at the bottom, the widest point, come up, down, and then just spiral in. And I love how this looks on this brown bookmark. Just echoing that space, or aura, the space, starting at the widest, keeping those lines the same distance. That's the key. Try to keep them all the same distance apart. And there we have it all the way down. Now, to give this a little bit of, which I probably should have done it before I did the angle, because now it's really hard to see the space in between. You can see here I colored it in, but I can find it. I am just going to take, I'm going to switch out to my 08, my medium jelly roll. And I'm going to color in those V's. I really should have done that prior to doing the triangle shape, it's a little less confusing. So you may have to stop and look to see if that's the space I want to color in. But it can be done. I love the geometrics. I don't do a lot of them, but when I do, I think they are just gorgeous. So there we have it, which I should have done before and then jangled in. But what's fun about the geometric shapes is that you can come back and add some circles like I did here. I added just some orbs. And I like to use different sizes of orbs. And I don't want to put my hand over that, so I rotated my tile or my bookmark, and so that I don't have my hand over the top of it. And I am just randomly choosing what size of orb I want to put on. Now I'm going to rotate it around and do the other side. And sometimes I like to do diminishing. And then they get bigger. Those are fun. But I really truly love to draw the orbs. So when I do a geometric, usually get some kind of circle design in it, or organic looking design. And now we can go back in and with our jelly roll just fill in. I love how the jelly rolls fill in too. Just a smooth ink. And you notice I'm not filling in every single one. I'm just randomly also here trying to choose. I have a hard time with random. Sometimes I end up doing every other one, so I have to stop and think, not random. Now I'll turn it around and do this other side while that side dries. So there we have. Now I have a dark brown ink, and I don't know how, oh, it is going to go on here, good. It almost has a black look. I'm just going to echo. This is not black, it's very, very dark brown. I'm a big fan of Aura. When Maria said, when in doubt, Aura, I took her to heart. And I find that I like my tangles a lot better when I try something a little bit different. Just Aura. Just an Aura. And there we have. Now we can take our white chalk, but I'm using Prisma color pencil, and I'm just going to shade along here with my Prisma. And there you go. It's a lacy, kind of fun little ribbon, and it's a fun tangle. I hope you enjoyed. I love it on the big tile, but really like it on the bookmark. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and then you will get notifications. If you click that little bell, you'll get a notification every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.